Hi there. This will be a short video. Just wanted to talk real quick about some review preview that is going into chapter 11 here. So as far as review goes, keep in mind that so far for inferential statistics, we've looked at numerical methods of inferential statistics, such as in chapter 7, we presented methods for estimating a parameter of a single population, so confidence intervals. And in chapter 8, when we presented methods for testing claims about a single population with hypothesis tests, we haven't gotten to chapter 9 yet. And in chapter 10, we considered methods of correlation and regression using paired sample data. Now, all of this was quantitative so far, or numerical. And what we're going to be doing in chapter 11 is we'll focus on analysis of categorical or qualitative or attribute data that can be separated into different categories. And hypothesis tests will observe counts or frequencies, and we'll see if those agree with some claims distribution. Ways of showing that are with a contingency table, which is also called or a two-way frequency table. And there could be more than two columns or two rows, just depends on the table. We're going to be using the chi-square distribution primarily. Okay, just want to emphasize we're focusing on categorical data now in frequencies.